Alright guys, in this video we're going to install Python 3 on a Mac, and I already have it installed, but I'm going to go through the process anyway. So if you open up your terminal and you type in Python --version, unless you've already installed Python and you have or Python 3 and you've set up your environment variables and stuff, you're probably going to see version 2. Okay, 2 point something, probably 7.10. We don't want to use version 2. Okay, you don't want to use version 2 anymore for anything unless there's a specific reason. So let's go ahead and say Python 3 --version, and you'll see that I have version 3.70, which is the latest version. If you see like not found or something like that, that means that Python 3 is not installed on your system. If you see an earlier version of 3, then you should go ahead and follow these instructions to upgrade. So we're going to go to python.org and go to downloads, click on 3.7.0 or whatever the latest version is at the time, and let's open up the package that it downloads, and it's just going to be just a simple installer that we click through. So let's click continue, and we're going to agree. And here you can click install, but I just want to show you if you click customize, you can pick and choose to disable like the Unix command line tools and stuff like that. You want to make sure all of this is checked, especially this. You want to make sure that pip is installed, which is the Python package manager. It's used to install third-party packages, including Django. So we definitely need that. And now we're just going to click install, and you just put in your password. And it's going to go ahead and install Python 3. Alright, so once it's installed, you'll see something like this, and we can go ahead and close it, and we'll move the installer to the trash. So now what I want you to do is open your terminal up and do a Python 3 -- version, and you should see that you have the latest version installed. Alright, so if we do just Python 3, it's going to bring us into the REPL or into the Python console where we can actually type out Python code and get a response. So for instance, we can do the print command, and let's just say print hello, and we'll run it and we get hello as our output. All right, we can even do things like create variables. So I could say name equals Brad, and then we could do print name, and we get Brad. Okay, but we're not going to do too much in here. What we want to do is create Python files, which are files with a .py extension, and then we're going to learn how to learn the basics of Python within the files, and then we'll jump into Django. All right, so if we do a Control D, we can get out of the Python console here, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to install Python on Windows. Obviously, if you're not using Windows, you don't really have to watch that video, but after that we'll start to learn the basic syntax, and then, like I said, move on to Django.